The Erasmus Initiative for the Dynamics of Inclusive Prosperity is aimed at investigating where the growing gap in wealth and in power comes from. We see that in many countries, and to some extent also globally, there is a growing gap between rich and poor, and in the exclusion of certain groups in society from decision making, from participation in vital aspects of life. This initiative is aimed at examining where this growing gap comes from and under what conditions perhaps this gap can be reduced. We do this with 3 different schools. We have the Erasmus School of Law, we have the Rotterdam School of Management, and we have the Erasmus School of Philosophy. These 3 have joined forces and with different perspective in an interdisciplinary way, they aim to ask these questions and to look at options for improvement. How this collaboration with NUS came into being. Actually, this initiative has already been active for about a year. And in this time it has created a variety of conferences and workshops. Actually, it was our main conference held last year. The collaboration with NUS is another one. We want to be strong in society and in science. National University of Singapore is known as the best university in Asia. It has a strong track record specifically in aspects of public policy related to technology. Technological disruption is one of the key pillars of our initiative, along with 2 others. This workshop that we are having now is basically addressing one of the 3 pillars of our initiative and also a key aspect of what NUS School of Public Policy is working on.
The goal of the visit is to try to strengthen the link between NUS and the Erasmus University around the issues of governance of technology. So we have gathered experts from around the world to try to effectively understand better the issues that emerging disruptive technologies bring and try to create a community and expand the work on academically coming forward with some better understanding and solutions to address these issues. I really feel the workshop is needed, and we are learning a lot more about the respective work of experts that have been brought in. People are commenting on each other's works and we are trying to basically elevate each other's work to reach higher levels of understanding about the challenges of regulating and governing disruptive technologies. And what we want to take forward from this is to try to build this community and continue these discussions, hopefully with Erasmus and NUS together, to move the discussion to a higher level.
The future plans for this collaboration are actually that at least we hope that some of the research proposals that we have written and submitted to research foundations will find funding, so that we have funding also for future work together. But in the longer term perspective, we're working towards a memorandum of understanding that the 2 parties can sign with each other, so that we actually can exchange staff and PhD students and have more intense collaboration and basically come to an official institutional recognition of the collaboration.